Okay guys, we're going to be going into market on oil and we're going to be doing this for Kojak. And a warm welcome, one and all. Let's flick the screens on, give Winky a little bit of a poke.
Yes,
honk honk.
coffee.
I love a coffee because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. He likes the charts as well. And what we're looking at here is a compression. It's at the bottom of this compression, this small range here, and we're going to look for it to push up. Now I'm going to do it in a couple of ways. We're going to rack and stack it across the top. So we're going to drop that down. What does that mean? It's just a continuation of what I did last night, where I'm going to put multiple orders in with all different targets so that we can bounce the price. And it's kind of a good way to do things. Okay, so I'll put one there, and then we'll do it again with a bit more. Do it again with another one, 15, just like so, and another one, just like this, just like so. I'm just setting up this. I'm not going to do a ladder, I'm just doing a rack and stack today. And we're going to run it for 25 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, okay. So that's nicely set out in this range. Now what I'm going to be looking to do is actually follow the price down a little bit. Now if I move this down into 5 minutes and we can kind of see it. What we're looking for is to get back into the top of this range off here. So it's come down, it's showing signs, it's holding above this level. And I want the price to come to me, so they'll trigger. Each time one bounces out between 5 and 10, I'll keep putting the price back in till it rattles up to here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And what happens is you kind of find that without doing a great deal of work, you add more and more trades into it, but you then start working with house money, because that comes out, cashes, put it back in, let it come down, pick it back up, back down, back down. Why? Because that's what it's doing at the moment. It's ranging, it's going backwards and forwards. Now I could also put another set here and see which set triggers first. And the one that triggers first is the one we're going to work with. But this one seems okay. I mean, I can do that. And then we can also just move them backwards and forwards. And it is, contrary to belief, quite a simple way of trading. What you're essentially doing is saddling either side of the price, but if that just runs off and comes down here and I had the trades here, it means I'm actually picking them up in the wrong direction. Whereas if I've got them up here, the price has to come to me and move up in that direction, because that's what we've decided. And where's that come from? Well, if I pull up this, I'll show you. So put that across here. It's telling me the low time frames are buying. We're going with the sort of movement at the moment. It's telling me to monitor, but it is saying it's risky. You've got to be a bit careful with it. So that's why I'm breaking up the trade so I can manage it effectively. Okay, this one's kind of out the whack. I'll look at that later on this morning. So that's what I'm going to do. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, stopped out. What I did with this particular trade was I stacked it up because it is sideways. I've just done a thing in the clinic about this, funny enough, where you just follow, but wasn't sure whether it was going to break and keep on running up to the top. You have to excuse me, I've got dry throat. Need a coffee because we all know Scruffy likes coffee. So I took devil's advocate, broke the trades up so I could manage to switch on and off, and then put a trailing stop running up, and there you go, boom, boom, boom. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orders triggered, and it kept on running up, and then finally the last one came back. It was a trailing stop, and it came and stopped us out, but it actually did 20 pip move, and it was looking for, if I pull this trade back, 19. So it did its job and then got a little bit extra. I was quite conservative with it because that was the sensible thing to do, and that was it. So trading's not difficult. It's all in the planning and the homework. And if it's in a sideways like this where it could easily rattle either way, because it could break out both ways, just be conservative. Protect your account at all costs. And that's what I did there. So what are you protecting? Oh, you're actually working. What do you mean? Brilliant. Doing a job. Fabulous. Okay, kids, that's it. See you on the next one.